Hi guys, welcome to podcast ni Ben. And thank you for joining me in my first ever podcast session. sorry sa boses ko. Sorry din on how I sound right now kasi kakagaling ko lang sa sakit. And I'm basically getting better each day. So, don't worry about it. So, ayun. Ano nga ba ang topic natin ngayon? So, ang topic natin ngayon for today is how to handle your anxieties. How do you handle your own anxieties? Paano nga na ba natin na-handle yung anxieties natin? Well, actually, ang reason kung bakit ko ito tinapik is grabe yun. Ang reason ko ba't ko ito tinapik kasi not only because this is what I observe on people, but it's also a good thing that we discuss on these topics, lalo na if it's about our well-being and if it's something related on what we feel right now. Well, hindi ko rin naman kasi masasabi kasi iba-iba rin naman kasi tayong mga tao, guys. Iba-iba rin tayo on way of coping our feelings and a way of confronting our feelings. Iba-iba tayo, guys. So, iba rin tayo ng time kung kailan mawawala yung nafe-feel natin or napagdadaanan natin. Kung para sa iba, mabilis niyang na-cope yung nararamdaman niya. Para sa iba, matagal. Pero, wala naman kasi sa base, hindi naman yan base sa bilis or sa, hindi naman yan nagbabase sa bilis ng, kung sinong naunang natapos yung para bang kung sino yung naunang naka-get through do sa nararamdaman niya, kung sino yung pinakalas. Wala sa ganun yun, guys. Kasi iba-iba naman kasi tayong mga tao. Iba rin tayo ng way kung paano natin na-handle yun. Iba rin tayo ng way kung paano natin nagagawa ng solusyon yun. Iba-iba tayo, guys. So, I definitely get what you're feeling right now. I definitely get everyone's feelings right now. So, I know it can be hard. Alam ko na mahirap. Alam ko mahirap i-handle yung nararamdaman mo ngayon. I totally get it. Kaya, kung ano yung nararamdaman mo ngayon, I hope you're getting well right now. Kasi I know how tough it is to handle something like that. Lalo na ngayon, guys, na-experience ko siya ngayon. Ang hirap niya, guys. Sorry kung to my friends who's listening right now, or even my family relatives, di man ako nahihiya na, alam niyo yun, na ipakita yung nararamdaman ko, yung tunay na nararamdaman ko sa tao, or even on what I feel right now. Grabe yun, no? May kasama bang tao? Sino yun? Joke lang. Pero yun, I totally get it. Lalo na I'm experiencing it right now. Honestly, guys, na-experience ko siya ngayon. So, ito na nga, guys, yung experience ko. Para kahit pa paano ma-feel nyo na hindi kayo nag-iisa or makarelate kayo. These days, ina-anxiety ako. And it was really hard. It's really hard, guys. It's really hard dealing with anxiety. Lalo na kung tinatago mo yung nafe-feel mo, yung totoong nararamdaman mo. Like, everyday, ganyan yung nararamdaman ko. Lalo na, pumapasok ako araw-araw, I had to hide what I feel, what I'm going through. I need to handle it well. I need to do it independently. I had to find ways on how to help myself. I had to find ways on how to break through what I am feeling right now. I have to make a solution on how can I get through all the problems and even my feelings. I need to make a solution immediately. Alam nyo guys, to be honest, tinago ko to sa friends ko, or even tinatago ko to sa friends ko, or even my family relatives, or even someone. I've hide it. Lalo na yung pinakamahalaga. Kunwari yung parang, yung parang may problema ka sa ganito, tinago ko yun. Or, hindi naman siya like patago, parang hindi ko naman siya pinag-uusapan kasi may mga ibang tao kasi na parang yun, yung walang pake, they don't give a fuck. Ayun yung nasa isip ko na no one gives a fuck. So, I had to do everything on my own. I need to handle this on my own. I need to find a solution on my own. I need to handle and break through this alone. But there's this part of me that I was wrong. It was, ang hirap talaga guys. Kaya ang dami, nakaka-relate talaga ako. I'm also at the wrong kasi I didn't tell anyone about what I felt, if I was okay, if I'm still doing okay, pero I've been a bit honest naman din na pag may nagtatanong sa akin kung okay ka ba, kung okay ka lang ba, I would answer na okay lang, I guess. Talaga ba, Ven? Talaga ba? Okay ka lang ba talaga? Tas bakit may I guess? So, if you're okay lang or kung okay ka lang talaga, bakit may pa-I guess ka? Ganun yung napapaisip ko. Bakit may I guess? So, that means you're not sure if you're really okay. So, I just didn't want my friends to bother. Para bang ayokong isipin nila na bothersome ako. Na para bang ayoko isipin na burden ako. Ayoko isipin na parang ayoko lang talaga isipin na para bang hindi ko kaya. Na para bang mahina ako. Pero I was wrong. I was slowly learning on how to express, on how I could tell my friends, or how I want to ask for help. It was hard. It was hard to handle. Lalo na, I was alone on kung paano ko siya hinahandle. I was handling it well, by the way, if you're asking, but it was hard. Para bang, lalo na ngayong college life, there's doubts. If I'll be honest, there's doubts. There's this anxiety. There's this feeling na I felt hopeless. There's this feeling na thoughts na para bang, will I ever be enough? Will I ever be good? Is this the right path for me? Am I going through the right path? Am I lost? There's this thought like that. Para bang may mga ganyan ako naiisip na, am I still the old Ven? Am I still that person? Kasi para bang, para bang pagka-step ko sa, alam mo yun, yung pagka-step ko sa college, parang, man, what happened to me? Para bang question ko sa sarili ko, ano nangyari sa'yo? Yung para bang, you didn't know what happened. You were like just, para bang kung ikaw yung tao na para bang academic achiever or someone they looked up to, then suddenly, you'll be a person na para bang average person na lang or even a failure. That was my thoughts, guys. Ayun yung naisip ko. Pero, looking back or looking at the brighter side, I message my friends. Para bang pumasok na rin sa self ko na, or nag-sink in na sa sarili ko na, I need to do this. I need to tell them. I need to confront them on what I feel. On what I have been holding on. I needed to. So, di naman lahat to, guys, Pero syempre, piling friends lang. Yung mga friends lang talaga na, alam nyo, guys, yung mga parang yung parang friends lang. Pili lang. So, I told them. Sabi ko, nilabas ko lahat, guys. Sa totoo lang, na-anxiety ako. Sinabi ko lahat. Mahaba yun. Hindi ko na ikakwento. Kasi baka mamaya, maging 2 hours yung podcast natin. Pero, hindi ko na iisa-isahin. Para bang, sinabi ko lang na, I'm dealing with my anxiety. And, ayun. They listened and they told me on how proud they were at me. And I was doing great so far. And after I told them everything, I felt a sense of relief. Alam ko sa sarili ko na hindi ko man matatakasan lahat ng problema ko kasi what I have learned sa CF teacher ko na you are not a person without problems. Kasi lahat naman tayo may problema, guys. Normal lang na magka-problema ka or kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, normal lang yan. I normalize it and it's valid. It's valid and I understand. So going back, I told my friends and somehow nasabi ko rin naman sa parents ko. Pero not entirely kasi parang kahit open kami ng parents ko, parang dumating lang rin sa point ko na ayoko ikwento. Kasi para bang nahiya ako. Or para bang ayoko isipin nila na mahina ako. Na hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko kaya. Lalo na, eto guys, ito rin yung reason kung bakit ako ina-anxiety. Lahat ng expectation kasi sa akin nakasalalay. Ayun ang nafe-feel ko. Lahat ng expectation ko na sa akin. Lalo na ako lang naman yung nag-iisang anak. Ako lang nag-iisa. Lalo na there's a lot of people looking up on me. My parents looking up on me. My friends looking up on me. My cousins looking up on me. it was pressuring, and it was a feeling that I needed to do well every day. I needed to be good. There's always this times that I compare myself, guys. Sometimes. And na ngayong college, I felt like I was an outcast. Yung naramdaman ko. Feeling ko, di ako belong somewhere. I don't belong to any specific group or even sa mga pinakikisamahan ko. I became quiet. Mas naging tahimik ako. Para bang pinaprocess ko pa lahat ng mga bagay-bagay. Na, is this really happening? Lahat ba ito nangyayari talaga? Then, until I went back to reality, then I met new friends sa college. They were actually nice sa akin, and shout out kay Tina. Pero yun, I met new friends, and it was really a nice feeling having people around you, parang bang meeting new people and having new friends. So it was a good feeling. I didn't felt like an outcast anymore. I didn't feel like an outsider. Parang I felt more relief, more belonged. I felt that. I know I was a bit happy. I was happy. So, going back, ayun lang naman, guys. Ayun lang masasabi ko. So, kung ano man yung nakwento ko sa inyo, I'm not worried anymore kasi I told my friends or even my basta may mga loved ones, I told them what I was been going through and what I was feeling. But also at the same time, I am handling it on my own. I'm handling my own problems on my own pero this time with my support system, with my loved ones support, parang your loved ones, with my support system, their support. Ayun ang mahalaga, guys. Ang mahalaga, may sumusuporta sa'yo ng tunay. Na may gumagabay sa'yo at may mga taong naniniwala sa'yo. May mga taong chini-cheer up ka. Pero, ayun nga, at the end, you always have yourself. Pero this time, dapat may support system ka. So right now, I'm okay. I'm doing well. I'm trying my best to be stronger every day. I'm trying my best to wake up and show up. Even right now, if I feel on something or even I feel so tired, I'll go and rest and do my best at the other day. Ganun lang dapat, guys. So, ayun. I understand kung hindi pa sa ngayon, someday, guys, someday, you will be able to break through what you are going through or what you are feeling. Malalagpasan mo siya at the right time. Basta ang importante, you are honest with yourself, you have your support system, you express what you are truly feeling and what you are going through. At yung sa mga taong sa tingin mo mapagkakatiwalaan mo, that's what matters, guys. Ang mahalaga, may improvement. Ang mahalaga, meron kang action towards that problem. So, ayun. I totally understand you. Your feelings are valid. And you are not alone on this process or this progress. You are not alone. So if you feel alone right now, don't worry about it. People who are experiencing this right now, these problems, this anxiety, it will pass. Just take it slow. Take it at your own pace. If it's not now, it will come in the right time. Just believe in yourself. Like how people believe in you. You can do this. Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan. Lahat ng mga problema malalagpasan. Lahat ng nararamdaman mo, lilipas rin yan. Just don't hide on your comfort zone. Just take it slow. Unti-unti hanggang sa tuluyan ng mawala. So, isang yakap sa'yo, by the way. Kung ano man yung nararamdaman mo or pinagdadaanan mo, lilipas rin yan. I totally understand. So if you're failing, let it happen. And then go back to that specific thing where you fail. And prove yourself, not everyone, but prove yourself that you are worthy, that you are strong, that you can do this, that you are an achiever. So, matinding yakap, and I'll give you a few minutes of silence. Iyak mo lang yan kung gusto mo iyak. And kung gusto mong, well, sa screen, since naka-podcast tayo, pero if you wanna cry, go for it. I will be here. My presence is here to give you comfort. If I cannot be with you right now, but I'll try to comfort you and to be here. At least you have someone, or if you don't know me or hindi tayo close, but I am here. I'm here to listen. I'm here to look at you on the screen. Okay ka na? Tandaan mo lahat ng mga sinabi ko. Well, on the other podcast, ibang topic naman ang pag-uusapan natin. Pero, syempre, may mga topic rin naman tayong well-being. So, sa ibang podcast, if you find my voice annoying, okay lang naman. I respect your opinion. Pero if you find my voice or my words comforting, that will be a pleasure para at least ma-comfort kita through the screen or through virtual. So, okay ka na? Tandaan mo lahat ng mga sinabi ko. And trust me, you'll do great. Just believe in yourself. And if just do something that will bring you peace. Okay? Hey, thank you for listening to my podcast session, and if you want more of my podcast session, kindly click on the link below and subscribe on my YouTube channel, Podcast Event, to keep you updated. Thank you and stay safe. Peace.